Chapter Summary. Regulation sets the prices a firm can charge. Natural monopolists are usually regulated. The social interest theory of regulation is that regulation seeks an efficient use of resources. The capture theory is that regulation helps producers maximize economic profit. Marginal cost pricing sets price equal to marginal cost and achieves an efficient level of output, but an unregulated firm incurs an economic loss. An average cost pricing sets price equal to average total cost. The firm makes zero economic profit and there is a deadweight loss. Rate of return regulation sets the price so that the firm earns and target rate of return on its capital. Price cap regulation specifies the highest price a firm can set. Practice problem. The figure shows the demand cost of a local water distribution company. The company is a natural monopoly. If the company is unregulated, what price does it charge for water and how much is distributed? Does the firm have an economic profit, zero economic profit, or an economic loss? If the firm is unregulated, it will charge $6 price and distributes 2,000 gallon a day water where its MR is equal to MC. If the company is regulated using an average cost pricing, what price does it charge for water and how much is distributed? Does the firm have an economic profit or an economic loss? If the company is regulated using average cost pricing rule, the company charges $4 price and the quantity is 3,000 gallon per day. The firm makes zero economic profit as shown in the figure. If the company is regulated using the marginal cost pricing rule, what price does it charge for water and how much is distributed? Does the firm have an economic profit, zero economic profit, or an economic loss? If the company is regulated using marginal cost pricing rule, the price charged is $2 and the quantity is 4,000 gallon per day. The firm incurs an economic loss. An unregulated natural monopoly cans Mount McKinley Air, unique air that has no substitute. The monopoly's total fixed cost is $30,000 and its marginal cost is 10 cents a can. Figure illustrates the demand for Mount McKinley Air. How many cans of Mount McKinley Air does the monopoly sell and what is the price of a can of Mount McKinley Air? The firm produces 100,000 cans, which is the quantity at which marginal cost equals marginal revenue. The firm gets a price of $0.40 a can, which, as the demand curve shows, is the maximum price at which consumers are willing to buy 100,000 cans produced. So there's a mistake here. It's not 200, it's $100,000 as shown in the figure. If the firm captures the regulator, how might the monopoly be regulated? If the monopoly can capture the regulator, the firm gets the regulator to allow it to maximize its economic profit. This outcome occurs when 100,000 cans can be produced. If the regulator sets a price cap such that monopoly breaks even, what is the quantity produced and the price at which it is sold would the regulated monopoly produce efficiently? The monopoly produces 300,000 cans. When it is producing 300,000 cans, its price is $0.20 a can, and when 300,000 cans are produced, the company's average fixed cost is $0.10 a can and its average variable cost is equal to its marginal cost $0.10 a can. So average total cost is $20 a can, $0.20 a can, which is equal to its price. The company is not producing efficiently. Only if regulated monopoly produces 400,000 cans where P is equal to MC does the firm produces efficient output. These are true and false in multiple choice questions.